Viewers, today I was telling about how to contact Instagram customer support. For that, you need to go to Instagram account and click on your profile. Click on three horizontal. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll it down. Here you will see the help center. Report a problem. Report a problem. Include and continue. Uh, what's the problem did you have? Just enter. I have a problem. Something. What did you have a problem? Just report it on that. After that, you need to send. After that, come back. Go to Play Store. Click on Instagram. Just search it on Google Instagram. You need to open that. Here we have a customer service, app support. Here we have a Android super and click on that. Go to Gmail just once, and here what is the subject? I have a problem. And what did you have a problem? Please enter that. After that, you need to send. Thank you. They will definitely contact you within 24 hours. Thank you.